All right, so here we go. February 8th. February 8th. Wow, I can't believe it's already February 8th. This is crazy. All right, here we go. No video yet. No starter today. No starter today. The starter usually is just recap of did you do the previous day's work, but the previous day was a work day on the culture poster for a country in sub-Saharan Africa. So you should have that done anyways. Okay, you should have that poster done. It was you're supposed to have that submitted by 10 o'clock last night. Okay, 10 o'clock last night. Hopefully that was done. We had a full, like, almost 2 days to work on it anyways, and you should have had that done well in time. So let's look at the summary page for today, February 8th. So take a look. We're going to identify general characteristics, almost like you're going to get an introduction into this country called Malawi in sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, you're going to get a general, you're going to look and identify the general characteristics of their culture, history, economics, geography, and government. Okay, so that's what we're looking at today. North Carolina Standard Courses Study. I put all of those numbers there because we're just doing an introduction into history. So 7.H is history, 7.G is 7th grade standards for geography, E is economics, civics and government, and culture. We're just going to do an introduction into those. So I put all those in there instead of writing out an entire standard. Unit is still Africa and the Middle East, and discontent creates change remains the statement of inquiry. So look at the synchronous work. No February 8th starter. No starter today. We're going to begin 86 Malawi, and then you're going to have the ticket out the door as normal. February 8th, ticket out the door. And then your asynchronous work is to complete page 86 Malawi. So let's do this. Okay. Everybody go to the next page and go to page 86 in your digital notebook. Okay. Go to page 86 in your digital notebook. So if you look at page 86 in the digital notebook, it should look like this. Now here's the deal. This is a gimme. This is a gimme here. This video is longer and there's many, there are a lot more questions in Edpuzzle on this video. But what I did to make it, I hope, easier for you to succeed is I kind of put what notes I want you to include. So as you're watching the video from the 0, if you look at the screen here and look at page 86 in your notebook, okay, from the beginning, 0 to 2 minutes and 56 seconds, I want you to make sure you have down what is the location of Malawi, what are the major cities, and what are the major physical features. Because at the 256 mark, it's going to ask you 3 questions on those things specifically. So if you're getting those notes down and you know what to expect, you should type that in there, and that should be in there. You should have those notes in there because you're going to need them later for the quiz. You're going to have a quiz on Friday, 10-point formal quiz on Malawi on Friday. And these are some of the things that are going to be on that quiz. And then the 256 mark to 554, okay, Malawi is a part of the, and then there's going to be a question that kind of goes along with that, okay? What are the major rivers and what are some major resources? You're going to type that information in there during that time slot of the video, and you can rewatch that, okay? Because whatever score you get on this quiz, on this Edpuzzle video, is your score for the assignment. Okay, so keep that in mind. 554 to 857. What's the nickname of Malawi? Population. What ethnicities are there? What is their currency? And they were colonized by or taken over by who? And what was their name before Malawi? And then give me some data, some information on the education there. And then who are their friends? That's the 857 to 1013 mark. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm going to keep this. Actually, here's what I'll do. All right, so that is what your focus is during asynchronous work today. Asynchronous work. And this synchronous time is going to be really short, really short. And again, I cannot remind you enough, whatever you get on this while you're watching this video, that is your score for the assignment. It automatically syncs. It automatically syncs. So I need to make sure that you take your time, you do well, you rewatch it, you make sure that you fill in these notes. You should have these notes filled in because those are also the questions from the video. Okay? All right, everybody, let's go. Take it out the door. Take it out the door, please, and then you have the rest of the time to make sure that that video is done. All right, so go ahead and begin. Take that ticket out the door now. What is today's objective? Yep, it's in there. What unit are we studying? Statement of inquiry. And then what is your asynchronous work today? All right, everybody go ahead and submit that. And then you have the rest of the time to work on that video.